his Digital India vision, where he motivated the entire industry to roll out broadband in the first 5 years of his first term. And during the pandemic, India has attracted the largest foreign direct investment in its history. Mark, we have our own example of how Jio and Facebook concluded our partnership right in the middle of lockdown. Right? And let me tell you with utmost sincerity that we at Reliance and Jio immensely value our partnership with Facebook. Thank you for your faith in Jio. Thank you, Mark, for your faith in India. I have no hesitation in going on record that it is your investment that set the ball rolling, not only for Jio, but for the Indian FDI, which has been the largest ever in its history. And our partnership between Jio and Facebook will actually demonstrate that it is great for India, Indians, and small Indian businesses. And I believe, Mark, that our actions will speak louder than our words in the coming months and years.
Thank you. So, one of the big opportunities that I see with this partnership, Facebook and Jio partnership, is the role that we can play together in supporting the millions of small businesses in India, especially now with the impact that COVID is having and accelerating the move that a lot of businesses have from physical storefronts to digital ones in this digital future. So I'm curious, what role do you see technology playing in this post-COVID world, especially as it relates to all of these small businesses that I know you share a passion with me that it is just critical that we serve them?
Absolutely, Mark. And let me point out a very unique feature about our partnership. Perhaps not many people have understood this. Because before this partnership, right, I believe that each one of us was mainly a communication platform. Together, we now have become a value creation platform for our customers and small businesses. And I firmly believe that technology, with all the digitization steps that India has taken, will democratize wealth and value creation, right, for individuals and small businesses. And let me explain this very simply. WhatsApp has hundreds of millions of subscribers in India. Jio has hundreds of millions of subscribers in India. JioMart, which is our retail service, right, actually has the aspiration of serving tens of millions of small shopkeepers in India who are the bedrock of employment. So what does this mean? This means Jio brings digital connectivity. WhatsApp, now with WhatsApp Pay, brings digital interactivity and the ability to move to close transactions and create value. And JioMart brings the unmatched online and offline retail opportunity that gives our small shops, which exist in villages and small towns in India, a chance to digitize and be at par with anybody else in the world. To my mind, more wealth creation means more employment, more business. And we together and our platforms and the tools that we will provide to small businesses and to individual consumers, I believe will drive India to a 5 trillion economy and will make a much more equal India with more equal wealth growth at the bottom of the pyramid. Mark, I firmly believe that the next 2 decades, India will grow to be among the top 3 economies in the world, but more importantly, it will become a premier digital society. It will be a modern society with young people driving it, with young businesses driving it, and our per capita income will go from $1,800, $2,000 per capita to $5,000 per capita. Our mid-income or the middle class in India, which is about 50% of its total number of households, will grow to 3 to 4%. And I think that Facebook, Jio, and a lot of other companies and entrepreneurs in the world have a golden opportunity to be in India, to be part of this economic and social transformation that we are witnessing, and that will accelerate.